do you say to Santa?
It's right.
You say thank you, Santa.
Is it a trampoline?
Do you love it?
Yeah. It's a bike house.
Bouncy house.
Are you so excited?
No.
The house are gone.
Oh, gone. That's a trampoline.
Yeah.
It's yours. It's Reese's.
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah. I love it. You play smart.
And you got your knife? It's just like Daddy's?
Think Reese's?
Just that's Reese's.
Yeah. Be sharp.
Yeah.
You. It's be sharp.
You love your trampoline?
Yeah. It still hurt. It's like a sharp. It's in the night. So. It's sharp. It has the ring. Yeah. Mom has the ring. Mom has the ring. Space Reese. Space Reese.
You must have been a good boy this year.
Oh.
Were you a good boy this year?
You're a good boy. Help. All done?
Let's go back inside.
No.
You can play with your camera?
No.
Mom, Santa brought you a camera and you got presents to open.
No.
You don't want to open any presents?
No.